Welcome to Leo season. On today's episode of Glam Tones, my name is Gigi. We are going to start with some jelly polish. I've been mixing a lot on the channel, and this is a little mix as well, but I decided to keep it short today. My voice is still not the greatest. Still got a bit of a cough, not feeling 100%. Almost over, but just the tiniest bit of still. So we're gonna keep it short today. What I'm doing is a bit of a jelly ombre. We are only one coating this. There will not be a second coat involved. So we're just gonna make the ombre be what it is and then be happy with it. And honestly, when you're doing it with these jelly colors like this, it actually works pretty well. So if you did want to just do a one coat situation, it's totally doable. I was afraid if I did a second coat, it would become too opaque. I did a little test and it might have been okay, but really I'm not upset that I just kept it to one coat. You can add a base coat, or like I did, sorry, my brain is shutting down, a matte top coat. I put a matte top coat because I was going to add a little bit on top, and that'll help smooth out any lumpy bumpies that you have, and of course just give you a nice surface to work on. So I'm just showing you this one more time. There's going to be 3 that are ombre like this. One I just do the orange color, and then one you'll see what we're going to do in a second. Now the reason I chose these colors is because, like I said at the beginning of the video, it is Leo season, so happy birthday to all our Leos. Orange is the predominant color for Leo from everything I read. The sun is the ruling house, and red and gold are also colors associated with the sign. And so I decided red, gold, and yellow, or red, orange, and gold, sorry, would be our primary focus. So as you can see, we're going to do this real pretty blue, and that is the cateye polish from DND DC gel polish, and that's just a mouthful. Whoever made up that name, guys, love you to pieces. That is a mouthful. So I'm just fixing up what I did here because it's a bit of a mess. I'm using the rounder end because I've not really played with it a ton. And as I started playing with it, I saw that you could make these little wavy sort of lines. Look at how cute that is. So I decided to keep that because I thought it gave kind of an aurora feeling. I am going to do a second coat and then come over that and make the same sort of wavy pattern. I did cut that out though, just to keep it short. Leo is the lion, so we've got lions here. These are the water decals. I'm using a little water on my finger to just help shift that around, and then you want to very gently with a paper towel or Q-tip or whatever you want to use, just remove the excess water to make sure nothing sticks underneath that sticker. You don't want that under your top coat, but having a little water on your finger helps slide that around, sometimes too much, so be careful. But once you get it where you like it, see, here you go. You're just letting it barely touch it and let it suck up the water. You're not really moving it, and the more it dries, the more it actually adheres. So now on this blue nail we created, and you can see the nice pattern that we ended up with, I'm just making the Leo symbol, which is actually super easy to make. All of them are not easy to make, but I found this one to be not that difficult. It's just a swooshiness, and I love a swooshiness. The hardest part, honestly, was the little circle, and I feel like I did not get it 100% correct, but I really like it. So it's just every single bit that I do helps me increase my hand painting skills, if you will. And so I've been trying to do it more and more. But there was no way that feeling the way I felt I was going to draw a lion today. So I'm really glad I happen to have those stickers laying around. So I'm just refining this little lion symbol or Leo symbol. I'm not sure like if this is actually supposed to represent a lion or what, but I think the symbol is really pretty. We are coming in with our top coat, and I really like this set because it's bright and eye-catching, but also simple at the same time. There is not too much art to detract from how pretty the ombres turned out, or the fact that we have these gorgeous lions on there and honestly, they're subtle. You would really need to look at the nails to say, hey, are those lions? So you're going to get a lot of that. Hey, are you a Leo? Are those lions? Those are gorgeous. The colors blend together perfectly. I am a big, big fan of this set, as you can tell. They are super duper cute. I would definitely wear these. Here they are, all finished and ready for Leo season. Guys, I want to let you know, I really do appreciate you guys coming by today and every day. We are going to see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.